Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today in part 2 of our Louisiana Highway 39 series, we continue southbound, beginning as we enter the unincorporated community of Chalmette, Louisiana, the parish seat of St. Bernard Parish. In St. Bernard Parish, LA 39 is called West and East Judge Perez Drive. As we drive along this main street through Chalmette, a lot of new development is visible on both sides. Just 16 years ago, every business along this commercial corridor was affected by the flooding following Hurricane Katrina, so everything had to be restarted from scratch. The old buildings remained but had to be completely gutted before being brought back into commerce. We just passed a new Holiday Inn Express and Suites on the left-hand side of the road, constructed in 2017. The St. Bernard Parish Hospital, which we just passed on the right, was built around 2011. On the right, a racetrack gas station has been built in the last 5 or 6 years on what was previously undeveloped land. Then on the right, a shoe department Encore has been expanded, doubling the size of the building. On the right, the Chalmette Plaza Strip Mall sat completely empty and gutted for years after Hurricane Katrina, but has finally been renovated and appears to be completely occupied again. Then on the right, a strip center known simply as the Mall is also mostly occupied. This was one of the first retail centers to be brought back into commerce after Hurricane Katrina, with damage repaired and suites rented out by around 2010. This shopping center included the independent Chalmette Movies, which originally opened around 2004. 17 feet of water from Hurricane Katrina shut it down in 2005, but it reopened in 2010. The pandemic once again forced its closure in July of 2020, and in February of 2021, it was announced that the theater would not reopen. At LA 47, Parish Road, West Judge Perez becomes East Judge Perez, and this becomes a slightly less dense commercial corridor. Judge Perez Drive was originally named Good Children Drive, but in 1969 it was renamed for Judge Leander Perez, a Democratic political boss in St. Bernard and Plaquemines Parishes. However, St. Bernard Parish officials decided to distance themselves from Leander Perez's segregationist legacy, and in 1999 rededicated the street to the memory of Judge Melvin Perez, a longtime St. Bernard Parish judge unrelated to Leander Perez. As we approach Palmisano Avenue, we pass Chalmette High School, which is on the right, with an enclosed skyway connecting the school with the St. Bernard Public Library on the left. The public library complex also includes a 90,000 square foot cultural arts building. The large theater is designed with acoustics in the forefront according to its architect, David Wagner. It sports a classic proscenium arch, an orchestra pit, and a flyloft that will allow students to hoist scenery and lights. A student-run coffee shop provides concessions during shows. Chalmette High School originally opened in 1954 at a different location and moved here in 1962. Here we enter the community of Miro, which is named for Dr. Louis Miro. Doc Miro was the sheriff of St. Bernard Parish from 1924 until his death in 1938 and was known as the father of 20th century St. Bernard Parish. He championed public education and made the St. Bernard Parish school system one of the finest in Louisiana. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. We conclude today's video here as we enter the community of Violet. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.